Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best travel destinations around the world. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the stunning coastal town of Kusadasi, Turkey. Kusadasi is the most popular cruise ship port on the Turkish Aegean coast, offering a haven for sun, sea, and fun-filled vacations. This harbor town is famous for its affordable package holiday deals, shopping, and vibrant entertainment scene. The resorts along the coastline are some of the best places in Turkey for budget-friendly beach holidays. However, Kusadasi offers more than just beach relaxation. The magnificent ruins of Ephesus, one of Turkey's top tourist destinations, are only a 20-minute drive away. Additionally, nearby ancient sites like Pigeon and the natural beauty of the Dilek Peninsula provide plenty of activities for those seeking more than just sun and sand. Plan your adventures with our guide to the 7 top attractions and things to do in Kusadasi. Number 7. Stroll to Pigeon Island just off Kusadasi Harbor. A 350-meter causeway leads to the small Pigeon Island, where the remains of a 13th-century Byzantine fortress are perched on a cliff. During the Ottoman era, the fort became a hideout for local pirates, and the rampart walls, which partially encircle the island, were added in the early 19th century. The island is a popular destination for a seaside stroll. Within the fort, a pathway winds through endemic trees and plants like Turkish pine and the protected Kusadasi tulusa flower, with signboards along the route providing information about the local flora and fauna. After exploring, the island's cafe offers a great spot to relax and enjoy views of the harbor. Number 6. Visit Ephesus. For many visitors to Kusadasi, the main reason to leave the beach is to visit Ephesus. Located just 18 kilometers northeast of town, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a popular half-day trip. With regular minibus services connecting Kusadasi to the town of Selçuk, which is adjacent to the ancient city, the ruins are easily accessible even without a guided tour. Ephesus's history dates back to the 10th century BCE, but the impressive structures visible today are from its Greco-Roman classical period. Be sure to see the monumental library of Celsus and the enormous Great Theatre, both of which are among Turkey's most photographed landmarks. Number 5. Explore Kusadasi's Old Town. Most of Kusadasi's tourist attractions are located in the harbor area within the Kaleci neighborhood. The Kervansaray building is a well-preserved caravanserai, constructed by Okus Mehmet Pasha in 1618. Its battlemented facade was restored in the 1960s. Although it operated as a hotel for several decades, you can now explore its interior. At the northern end of Barbaros Kadesi is the Southern Gate, a surviving fragment of the old town's Ottoman walls. The narrow streets leading uphill from here feature fine examples of 19th-century Ottoman half-timbered houses. The bazaar area, filled with Turkish souvenirs, begins directly in front of the harbor dock. Number 4. Head out on a boat trip. Boat trips are a popular activity in Kusadasi during the summer, offering a variety of cruise options. Tour boats depart from the jetty leading to Pigeon Island. They provide both full-day cruises to the Dilek Peninsula, showcasing the lush coastline and stopping at hidden coves and beaches for swimming, as well as shorter sunset cruises. Both options offer a relaxing way to enjoy the scenic Aegean coastline. If you opt for a public boat trip instead of a private tour, be sure to research the different operators, as some boats cater to partygoers and may not be suitable for all visitors. Number 3. Visit Dima. The Hellenistic religious center of Dima, located about 77 kilometers south of Kusadasi in the modern town of Didim, was home to the famed Oracle of Dima and the third largest temple in the ancient Hellenistic world. Only the Temple of Hera on the Greek island of Samos and the Temple of Artemis at Ephesus were larger than the Didyma's Temple of Apollo. Today, the Temple of Apollo still features its towering columns and is one of the best-preserved Greek temples in Turkey. The Oracle of Dima held significant importance in the classical ancient world, second only to the Oracle of Delphi. Its influence declined under the rule of Constantine the Great, who converted to Christianity. Number 2, Kazi Village. Surrounded by orchards and vine-covered fields, the charming village of Kazi, located 10 kilometers east of Kusadasi, has a timeless atmosphere. It's an ideal place to spend an afternoon wandering through alleys lined with traditional whitewashed village houses and experiencing the tranquil rhythm of Turkish village life. The road leading into the village is dotted with restaurants that specialize in Turkish breakfast spreads, available all day, as well as traditional Turkish snacks and light meals. On weekends, locals enjoy coming here for a leisurely brunch. For food enthusiasts, Saturday is the best day to visit, as the village hosts a weekly farmers market filled with local organic produce, including cheeses, jams, homemade sauces, syrups, condiments, fruits, and vegetables. Number 1. Day trip to Pamukkale. Pamukkale, located in southwestern Turkey's Denizli province, is renowned for its stunning travertines, featuring turquoise pools and snow-white cliffs. It is one of the most photogenic places globally. The name Pamukkale means cotton castle in Turkish, reflecting the natural beauty created by carbonate mineral deposits from the flowing hot spring water. The area boasts 17 hot springs, famous for their healing properties. Many believe that bathing in these pools can cure chronic and nutritional diseases, circulatory issues, and eye and skin disorders. Even Cleopatra is said to have bathed here. A hot air balloon ride offers a spectacular way to appreciate the breathtaking beauty of the travertine terraces. Pamukkale has 2 swimming areas, the public travertine pools and Cleopatra's Pool. Additionally, only one section of the travertines is open for walking.